Hi, I'm Chris Walsh, and I'm the director of the new Jean Hofmann Center that we're standing in right now. We're making incredible progress on the building, which is on track to launch in mid-November. And as you know, this is really an innovative space. Down below here, we have a commons area with a huge media wall on it that's just going to be an amazing place for our students to present and exhibit what they're working on, as well as tap into kind of what's happening in the world. We have classrooms and what we call studios on all four corners, upstairs and downstairs, which will be flexible learning spaces for students to design and invent together in all disciplines. And it really is designed to act as an amazing launch pad for new ideas, new perspectives, and new opportunities for the entire community. In particular, it's really meant to be a hub for innovative STEM and entrepreneurship programs, and the flexible space and open kind of learning environments will really be an amazing creative place for students, educators, and professionals to really invent the future. So we're really excited to have you join us here very, very soon.